Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge the Tesla Model Y. We'll start by looking at the various charging levels and connectors you'll encounter, both at home and when you're out and about. Then, we'll dive into how you can easily monitor your charging progress and keep an eye on your battery's status, ensuring you're always ready for your next journey. Let's get started. For home charging, you have a couple of great options. The mobile connector plugs into standard household outlets, giving you about 3 miles of range per hour. For much quicker charging, consider installing a wall connector, which can add up to 44 miles of range per hour. Remember, you can also schedule charging through your Tesla app to take advantage of off-peak electricity rates. When you're on the go, Tesla's Supercharger network offers incredibly fast charging, adding hundreds of miles of range in just minutes. For more leisurely stops, destination chargers are available at many hotels and restaurants, providing a convenient top-up. You can also use adapters to access various third-party charging networks, giving you even more flexibility wherever your travels take you. To keep your Model Y's battery healthy, aim to charge it to about 90% for daily driving. Before heading to a supercharger, precondition your battery through the navigation system. This optimizes charging speed. And don't forget, the Tesla mobile application allows you to monitor your charging sessions remotely, giving you full control and peace of mind from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.